4 Wellington estates, and again, estates means these are big lots. This lot 1.92 acres, and you'll see behind me beautiful trees in here, a lot of mature hardwoods, but just a park-like setting. The property goes all the way down to my vehicle on this side, which will be the cul-de-sac that ends, and then all the way up here to the stake that's up here on the right side. The lot lines have been marked not only with orange tape, but with string as well, so extremely easy to see the lots and really map out where you're going to put the house on this one. This one's got a really nice build site, actually obviously more than one build site on it, but it's got a real nice gentle slope going down to the water, perfect for a basement. We'll get to that in a minute. And then the nice thing about it is we've already got a dock in place, already got the dock approval, so it's already there. You don't have to worry about that. And again, this area back on this side is all part of Wellington Estates as well, but there won't be any homes back here. So again, it's going to be just a nice private setting. So let's head down to the build site, and then we'll get down to the dock and check it out. Here we are down at the build site. Again, gentle slope, perfect slope for a basement home, and just look at all these beautiful hardwoods in here. I mean, from dogwood trees to really large oak trees, probably some maples, just a number of different varieties in here, but just again, gorgeous setting. You'll see down below, this is the dock area that's inside, or the dock that's in place now. And again, a nice transition, easy transition walk down to the dock. And again, we're back here in this cove. You just go right out the cove to the main lake. You can turn left and go down the Crooked Creek. You've got a nice gas station area to get gas, one of the few places on the lake, but super convenient. Not only that, there's a boat landing close. So let's head on down to the dock and check that out. The build site, and again, you know, easy walk, get down here. Got a nice area coming into your dock. You might want to trim up the limbs a little bit, but a nice aluminum dock, easy maintenance. Now again, the other thing you can do here is you can add a lift and you can add 2 jet ski buoys without having to go through any further application processes. Oh, here's a nice bass sitting over here in under this little tree, strolling around. So if you want to get out here and throw a line, that's probably about 1.5 pounds there. That'd be nice. But again, as we said, go out of the cove, take a left, go to Crooked Creek Landing, take a right, head over to the Tiki Hut, just a short boat ride away. And what I love about it is you got an area that's going to be super safe for the family, the kids, to float, swim, and you've got just nothing but nice houses in this area. So if you have any interest, give us a call, 800-682-9098. Enjoy the aerial video. What is this? Yeah, plenty of water depth for a lift, certainly.